In this part, we are going to get a single to-do, and like the previous process, we also have to add the query at here. So we name it as get to-do, and then it just returned the to-do. And because this is not an array, this is a single to-do, so we just pass these to-do here. And then we go to the resolvers, and this time we want to get the to-do. We duplicate this and we change this to to-do, and we also have the root and also the arguments, and this is just a to-do. Instead of find, we now find by ID, and then we have the art.id, and then we have to return the to-do. Now we can try this. Now we copy this and paste again, and we delete this, and we pass the ID. And for example, we copy the ID of the second to do, so we copy this and we paste here. It set this unknown argument ID, so we go back to the query, and this is because we forgot to pass the ID at this part, so we need to add the ID, and the type is ID. So now we try to run again. Now you can see it return the second to-do's details, titles, and also the date.